Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to an exquisite 5 bedroom, 4.5 bathroom, 2-story masterpiece nestled in the tranquil neighborhood of Silver Sands, Duncans Bay, Trelawny. This ingeniously designed home offers unparalleled spaciousness and ventilation, with most bedrooms opening onto their private balconies, ensuring a perfect blend of indoor and outdoor living. Key features: spacious living. Enjoy the luxury of generously sized rooms, perfect for family living and entertaining guests. Private retreats. Most bedrooms feature private balconies, luxury amenities. Indulge in the 2 walk-in closets and unwind in the lavish jacuzzi. The manicured lawns and well-maintained grounds are adorned with a variety of fruit trees, creating a lush garden paradise. Prime location, just 3 minutes walk from the Silver Sands beach, allowing you to embrace the fresh sea breeze and coastal tranquility daily. Experience the epitome of comfort and elegance in this remarkable home. Make it your own paradise and relish in the peace, serenity of the area. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $450,000 or Jamaican $69.2 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.